Children, let us now study about the functions of political parties in detail. Firstly, the political parties contest elections. In most democracies, elections are fought mainly among the candidates put up by the political parties. Parties select their candidates in different ways. In our country, the top leaders choose the candidates for contesting the elections. Is it clear? But remember, in USA, the members and supporters of a party, they choose their candidates in order to win the elections. I hope the first function is clear. So once again, I'll tell you, parties contest elections. In democracies, elections are fought mainly among the candidates who are put up by the political parties. Now, parties select their candidates in different ways. In India, top leaders select them. Second function of political parties is forming policies and programs. The parties put forward different policies and programs and the voters choose from them. Each of us may have different opinions. We might have different views on what policies are suitable. Understood, no children? The two functions. Firstly, the function is to contest elections, and second function is forming policies and programs. In second point's explanation, you'll also have to add on that each of us may have different opinions and views on what policies are suitable for the society. Let's talk about the third function, that is making laws. Now, explanation is that when the parties they come to power, they make laws for the country. Formally, you all know that the laws are debated and they are passed in the legislatures. And the members of the ruling party, they follow the direction of party leaders, irrespective of their personal opinions. Even if they have any personal opinions, they have to remain silent because the members have to follow the direction of leader. Let's proceed to the fourth function, that is parties form and run the government. Now parties, what do? They recruit their leaders, train them, and then they make them the ministers in order to run the government in the way in which they want. I hope it is clear. Let's rewind the functions of the political parties. First, they contest elections. Second, forming policies and programs. Third, making laws. And the fourth one, parties, they form and run the government. Explanation: parties recruit their leaders, they train them, and they make them the ministers. Next function is role of opposition. That is, the parties that lose the elections, they play the role of opposition to the parties in power. What do? They criticize the government for its failures and also the wrong policies or the wrong decision making. I hope so far the 5 points which I said, 5 functions of political parties is clear to you. Last one which I said is about the role of opposition.